So in today's class, we are going to start our worksheet number 3, and this worksheet is available in the class light, and everybody should open that worksheet from the class light in course material section. Okay, once you open it, then we will start it. Those students who already open it should write the name of there on the top of the worksheet. There is a space given on the top of the worksheet for writing the name. You can write the name here. Everybody who opened that worksheet already, they can write the name at the top. And those who are opening it, you can open. And once you open it, then we will start that worksheet. So, did you guys open the worksheet? Did you guys open your worksheet? Say yes or no.
Yes.
What about the
Yes.
others?
No.
Okay. Okay.
No,
We are
there.
waiting. After 30 seconds, we will start it. Everybody is opening the. Now we are going to start our worksheet. The first question. The first question on the worksheet is, which one is a computer mouse? Which one is a computer mouse? So there are two pictures. We just have to circle. Which one? The left one or the right one? What do you think? Which one is the computer mouse? It's very easy. You can send the answer by sending left or right. Which one? On the left side, we have this mouse, and on right side, we have this mouse. So which is the computer mouse? The right one or the left one? Okay, that's good. So Talha, Abdul Moid, Huzefa already sent the answer in the chat. Muhammad Ali, Umar M. Hossein, Yusuf, Arish, that's good. Muhammad Kashan, that's nice. What about the others? Which mouse is the computer mouse? The left one or the right one? Ryan, Siddiq Ghalib, that's good. Yes, time. Very good. That's good. Time. Abdul Malik Hassan, Mohammad Mamoon, Suleiman Al Ghali, Rakan. All these guys send the correct answer. Ahmad Al Badi, kindly check your answer, please. Mohammad Moamin. So Mohammad Mamoon and Mohammad Moamin both give the right answer. So everybody can give the okay, yeah, that's good, Sami. Sami, Suleiman Tariq. Yes, Suleiman Tariq, it's a mouse. Can you tell me which one is the computer mouse? The left one or the right one? Sami Aliji also give the right answer. So can everybody say what is the which one is the right correct one? Right one or the left one?
Right
Wow.
mouse. Right
That's good.
one.
The
Right
com-
one.
yes, the right
Right
one.
one. Right.
Very good. That's good. The mouse on the right side is a computer mouse. The mouse on the left side in the green is also a mouse, but it is not a computer mouse. Rashid Ahmed, okay. Suleiman Tariq, Suleiman Abdullah. Suleiman Abdullah, your answer is not showing in the message in the chat. It's just showing the boxes. Okay. So the right one is the mouse is on the right side. So let me make a circle. Let me make a circle on the picture. The right answer is this one. So this one is the mouse. This one is the mouse. I make it in the red color. Let me make it prominent. So this is a mouse we have on the right side. It's the answer for the question number 1. So everybody circled it. Everybody of you circle the mouse on the right side.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So now we are moving towards the next question. The next question is saying that place. Place the option under the correct picture. Place the option under the correct picture. Okay, so there are some sentences given. There are some sentences given. What those sentences are? The sentences are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have 6 sentences. We have to place these sentences according to the shape. We have a shape on this side, we have one shape on this left side. So we have to put the sentences. The 3 sentences belongs to this picture and 3 sentences belongs to this one. So it's very easy. We can find it out. So can anybody tell me that which one? So let me write the name there. It is a left picture. It is a left one. Okay. And this one is the right one. So can anybody tell me any sentence from these given sentences? See, there are 6 sentences. It lives in a hole. It is kept It is kept on a mouse pad. It helps to draw. It runs very fast. It eats grains. It works on a click. So, can anybody tell me any one sentence for this left mouse? From these 6, can anybody tell me any one sentence from these sentences? Can anybody tell me any of the sentences for the left mouse? It's a left mouse, left picture. Can anybody tell me? You can raise the hand. I will take your answer. Okay. Siddiq Ghalib. Okay. Where is Siddiq Ghalib? Let's see. Yes, Siddiq.
Yes,
Can you tell me any
it,
one sentence for this left mouse? Any one
it,
sentence from it?
it lives in a hole.
Sorry, what are you saying?
It lives in a hole.
The left mouse. This mouse is left in a hole?
Right, right.
No, tell me about the left one.
It helps to draw.
Okay, that's good. So Siddiq Ghalib told us one. Okay. What about Momin? Yes, Mohammad Momin.
yes, sir.
What do you think? What does that mouse do? The left one. Can you tell me any one sentence for this mouse? This one?
It helps to draw.
It helps to draw. That's good. That's nice. So Siddiq, Momin. What about Ahmad Al Badi? Yes, Ahmad Al Badi. What does this mouse do? The left mouse.
And go up and go down.
Okay, it can go up and down, but can you tell me the sentences from these given sentences? It helps to draw.
In the right.
Okay, okay. So it helps to draw. It helps to draw. So let me write it here. It helps to draw. So this mouse helps to draw. What about the next thing? Let me cross this question. This option is done. So can anybody tell me any second sentence for this mouse, for this left mouse? What do you think? Can anybody tell me the option for this mouse from these given sentences? Yes, Yusuf.
Yes, sir.
Yes, can you tell me any sentences? There are six sentences given. Okay, at the top. These are the sentences given.
It it was it works on
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 a
a clock.
click. On a click. Excellent. That's good. That's good. So, Yusuf told us about one option. Excellent, Yusuf. What about Omar Nizar? Yes, Omar Nizar. What is your answer? Can you tell us any single sentence for this mouse? Omar Nizar, are you there? Okay, Mohammad Majdi. Mohammad Majdi, can you tell us
Yes,
any sentence about this mouse?
yes.
Okay, tell us please.
Help to help to help to write.
It helps to write? No, it is not used for writing. See, there are some sentences given. It lives in a hole. It is kept on a mouse pad. It runs very fast. It eats grains. It works on a click. So, what do you think what this mouse can do from these sentences?
Click. One.
Okay, so it can do the click. So, two students, Yusuf and Majdi, is saying this thing. Okay, let's see about Muhammad Ali. Yes, Muhammad Ali, what do you say?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
can you tell us what does it do? Okay, what about Mamoon? Yes, Mamoon, what do you say?
Yes, sir.
My question is everybody should listen this question. I repeat this question for so many times that I'm just asking that there is a mouse on the left side. Can anybody tell me any other sentences from these six sentences that what we can write it here? Two students give the answer already. Okay, it's Yusuf and Umar Nizar.
It
Yes, please. Are you there? Yes, Abdul Mohid.
Um, it is kept on a mouse pad.
Good. Very good. That's good, Abdul Mohid. Excellent. So, Yusuf, Umar Nizar, and Abdul Mohid. These guys give the correct answers for these. Excellent. Excellent. Okay. So, the right answer is it works on a click or it is kept on a mouse pad. Both are correct. So, we will write the first one here. Okay. It works on a click. It works on a click. Now, our this option is also done. Now we are moving towards the third one. As Abdul Mohid already tell this thing, let ask someone else who is going to tell this answer like a Mohid and Yusuf. So, Ryan.
hello, sir.
Yes, Ryan, can you tell us the third sentence for this left mouse?
It no wait. It
What happened, Ryan?
it is keep on a mouse pad.
Okay, that's good. So Ryan and Abdul Muid pick the answer. Let's ask Sam. Sam, yes. Sam, can you tell me what is the third sentence for this mouse, for this left mouse? Can you pick any sentence from in these fours for this one? Sam, are you there? Sam, are you there? Okay. So only two students give the correct answer. It's Abdul Muid and Ryan. For this one, it is kept on a mouse pad. It is kept on a mouse pad. So I am writing it is kept on a mouse pad. Okay. Now let me make it like this. So this one, these three are done. Three sentences are done. Only three are left. Only three are left. So obviously these three will come on the left side. We just find it out on the right side. We done finding out the technical one. Yes, Yusuf, Wali. Okay. Yusuf also tells about it helps to draw. It works on click. Exactly. And Ali also gave the correct answer. Suleiman Al Ghali. Soleh, your answer is not visible. And let me take who sent the answer. It's Arish. Okay. So, Wali. Wali, can you tell me any one sentence for can you send me tell me any one sentence for the mouse on the right side from these sentences?
It lives in a hole.
Good. That's good. It lives in a hole. So, because this mouse on the right side, it's a living thing. It lives in a hole. Okay. So, let it write it here. It lives in a hole. That's good. Now, what we have? Yes, Abdul Malik Hassan. Can you tell me any other sentence?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me any other sentence for the mouse on the right side?
It runs very fast.
It runs very fast. That's good. So, excellent. So, now you guys pick the question. Now you guys pick the question. Very good. It runs very fast. It runs very fast. Okay. What about the third sentence and the last sentence? Who is going to tell this sentence? Let me ask. Rashid Ahmed. Yes, Rashid Ahmed.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell us a sentence for the mouse on the right side?
A.
Yes, what is the answer?
A.
A. Okay, that's okay. Yes, Ali. What is the sentence? What is the last sentence which is there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, can you tell us?
It's eat grains.
Excellent. It eat grains. It eat Grains. Very good, Ali. Okay. So
Thank
along with it,
you, sir.
oh, you're welcome. So along with it, we are done with the question number two. We are done with the question number two. All the options we execute, and we are at now at question number two, and we are done with it. Okay. We done the question number two. So my question is, everybody write this in their worksheet. Did you guys write it in their worksheet? Say yes or
No,
no.
sir. No. Only
Okay.
2 minutes.
Yes,
You can
sir.
write. I am waiting.
Only two is
You can
remaining.
write. I am waiting. I am waiting so that everybody finished it. Let me take the name of the students who sent the correct answer. It's Yusuf, Ali, Soleh. Soleh, your answer is not displaying, not showing anything. It's just making a boxes in the chat. Yusuf sent the correct answer. That's good. Very good. Excellent. So Yusuf sent the answers for every question. Along with Yusuf, we have Suleiman, Siddiq Ghalib. Excellent. You guys are great. Then Muhammad Ali, Rashid, Suleiman, Wali. Who else we have? Arish, Abdul Muid, Kashan, Suleiman Tariq, Muhammad Talha, Umar A. Mohsin. So Arshman Aziz. All these guys sent the correct answer in the chat. Yahya Yusuf. All these guys sent the correct answer in the chat, and all these guys participated very well. That's good. That's very good that you guys are participating very well. So, everybody should write that in the worksheet. Everybody should write that in the worksheet. Yes, Suleiman. Suleiman also sent the correct answer. Suleiman Al Ghali sent the correct answer in the chat also. You're welcome, Suleiman. Okay. So now my question is, now you guys are done with question number two or not?
Done.
Okay, that's good. You can tell me the answer that we can use mouse for click. Is it true or false? So Talha, Siddiq Ghalib, Abdul Muid, Abdul Malik Hassan already sent us the answer. Very nice, that's good. Ahmad Al Badi, Arish, Yusuf. Excellent, excellent, superb. Okay, so Sulaiman Al Ghali, Muhammad Muamin, Ryan, Muhammad Majdi, Muhammad Mamoon, Sayyid Huzaifa, Rashid Ahmad, Huzaifa Rashid. Huzaifa Rashid, kindly check your answer, please. Okay, so we use mouse for click. Yes, it's true. The names which I took, all these guys sent the correct answer. It's true. That's good, Huzaifa. Okay, mouse is used to click. Yes, you are right, Muhammad Ali. Mouse is used to click. It always used for click. It's not designed for typing. It's not designed for typing. Okay, so my second question is, can we use mouse without electricity? Can we use mouse without electricity? Yes or no? True or false? Can we can use, the question is, we can use the mouse without electricity. Is it true or false? Okay, let's see. It's Siddiq Ghalib, Talha, Kashan, Ahmad Al Wadi, Ali, Arish, Suleiman Al Ghali, Yusuf, Sohle, Ahmad Al Badi, Yahya Yusuf, Muhammad Momin, Huzaifa Rashid, Siddiq Ghalib, Ashman Aziz, Abdul Muid, Taim Allah, Abdul Malik Hassan, kindly check your answer, please. So that's good. The right answer is false. If someone is saying we can use the mouse without electricity, it's false. It's impossible to use it without electricity. We need electricity to use computer, to use keyboard, to use mouse. Yes, Abdul Malik Hassan. Now you are right. Very good. Okay. So now everybody done? Everybody of you done with the question number 2? Did you guys done?
Yes, sir. I'm done, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir. Yes.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Now I am clearing the screen and we are moving towards the next page. Next question. The next question is very easy. The next question is very easy. We know the spelling of mouse. It's Mouse. It's written over there. Mouse. It's written over there. But can anyone tell me the parts of computer? Okay, let's start from this one. If we know there are two buttons, this one and this one, what do we call or what is the name of that button? What is the name of that button which has a red arrow? What do we call that button? So first tell me the name of this thing. You guys can raise the hand and then I will ask. Okay. So Tala already sent the answer in the chat. Sami Hijazi raised the hand. That's good, Sami. Suleiman, Abdul Muid. That's nice. Yes, Sami. What do you think? What is that button?
Mommy.
Sami, are you there?
Yes. What is the button?
What do we call this button? What is the name of this button?
Lily.
Sami, are you there?
Left
What is the
and
answer?
right. Left and left. Left and left. Left click.
What are you saying, Sami?
Hi. Yeah.
Okay, yes, Tala. Yes, what do you think? What is the name of that button with the red arrow?
Right button.
Okay, can you repeat your answer, please?
Right. Right
Good.
button.
That's good. Okay. So, Tala said it's a right mouse button. It's a right mouse button. That's good. Okay. So, can anybody tell me the spelling of right? Can anybody tell me the name of the right? Sam. Sam, are you listening to me?
Yes.
What is the spelling? What is the spelling for right? Sam, are you there? Okay, let me ask Suleiman. Suleiman Tariq. Yes, Suleiman Tariq. Can you tell us the spelling of right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the spelling of right?
RIGHT.
That's good. That's good. So what about Suleiman Al Ghali? Suleiman Al Ghali, can you tell us the spelling of right?
Ra. RIGHTBUTTONS.
That's good. Yusuf, can you tell us a spelling of right? What is the spelling of right?
R I
Good.
RIGH
T. That's good. So all three students give the correct answer. It's a right mouse button. So we are done with the one option of this picture. Question number 3. We are stopping it here because the time of the period is finished. And the time of the period is finished. We will continue that worksheet in the next class. There is assignment waiting for you in the class light. Everybody open that assignment. We will continue that worksheet in the next class. So, bye everyone. Have a nice day.
Bye,